Alright, number 9. We have a theorem states that a rational number a divided by b in simplest form can be written as a terminating decimal if and only if the prime factorization of the denominator contains no primes other than 2 and 5. Explain why the rational number must be in simplest forms before examining the denominator. So just to give you one small example, let's say we had the number 3 over 30, and if we were to factor the denominator, this is 3 times 10. 3 is prime, and then 10 we can break down to 2 times 5. Okay, so the denominator has 2 and 5, but it has something else, 3, which is problematic. However, if we start here with 3 over 30 and we reduce, this becomes 1 over 10. And then from here, when we factor the denominator, we only have 2 and 5. So the problem is you might have something other than 2 and 5 down there if you just start from the unsimplified form, and it looks like it will not because it is 3. In actuality, it will, because you have some common factors. So the solution or the explanation that says that prime factorizations of the denominator might contain only factors of 2 and 5 before simplifying, but the denominator of the simplified rational number might not. It just says the same thing. The denominator might contain before simplifying, and then it says the simplified. So after you simplify, it should not. That's circular. Denominator cannot be factored until the rational number is in simplest form. Nope, you can. Prime factorization of the denominator might contain factors other than 2 and 5, but these may be common to the numerator. Okay, yes. In this case, the 3 was common to the numerator, and then D says the denominator is easier to factor after simplifying the rational. That may be the case, but this is the more correct answer why it needs to be simplified. So C. Alright, number 10 says the student claims that 0.31 is greater than 0.6 because 31 is greater than 6. How do you respond? Since 0.31 is 31 hundredths and 0.6 is 6 tenths, which equals 60 over 100, and 60 is greater than 31, 0.6 is greater than 0.31. That looks really good. This contains more decimal places. Nope. Since this is this and 0.6 is 6 over 100. Nope. So looks like A.